Hello everyone and welcome back in another video. If you have been wondering how can you fix the missing Instagram notes problem, so basically you want to be able to use the notes feature on your Instagram account, but your account does not have it yet. You're in the right place because today in this video, I'll show you exactly how can you fix that problem. So follow up with me till the very end of this video and let's jump right into it. First, we need to get something out of the way. Let's go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram, and let's make sure we have the Instagram app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. After updating the Instagram app, you can finally quit the store and let's go ahead and open Instagram. Now from Instagram, if you go ahead and tap right here in the top right corner on the chats icon to open the conversation section, you'll find your conversation right here. But at the top you find the notes feature and every single person is using them, as you can see here. If you want to be able to use it, you usually just tap right in the top left corner to add your note. From here you can go ahead and write your note, and you can even add music to your note by tapping on the music icon right here, and you'll be taken to the screen where you can go ahead and choose the music, and then once you're done, tap on share in the top right corner to share this note. If you don't have the notes feature, usually you need to go ahead and make sure you have the Instagram app updated, because you might think your app is updated, but updates keep rolling up every day, so always check for new updates. After that, what else you can do? I'll show you. We need to go ahead and open your settings first. So here it is. Let's go ahead and open settings, and then from settings scroll down and find apps. Here it is. Go ahead and tap on apps and then tap on manage apps right here. Wait for the apps to load up in this list. Then in the search bar, let's go ahead and search for Instagram. Open Instagram. Now tap on storage at the very top right here. From storage, you can go ahead and clear cache and data at the bottom right here. After clearing both cache and data, try going back to Instagram and log in and look for that feature. If you still cannot find it, you can try to uninstall the app completely and then reinstall it from your Play Store and go ahead and try from there. If you do all that and the feature is not there yet, I'll show you what else you can do. Tap right here in the bottom right corner to open your profile, and then tap on the three lines in the top right corner right here. This menu will pop up from the bottom. Tap on settings and privacy, and then scroll all the way down and tap on help. From here, tap on report a problem. Tap on report problem without shaking. Then tap on include and continue, and from here describe your problem and tell Instagram support team that you don't have the notes feature and you want to have it on your account, and they should get back to you in 24 to 48 hours with a response. That is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Leave your comments and concerns in the comment section. I'll check them all out, and of course subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching.